Hey everyone, my name's Justin, owner of Peterson Automotive Repair. We're a mobile mechanic business. We serve all Denton County in Texas, come out to the customers' houses and repair their vehicles. Welcome to my channel. So yesterday, I actually went out and bought this Ford Fusion. It's a 2007 Ford Fusion SE, 6-cylinder with a 3.0 liter. Got it for about $1,200. As you can see, it's in pretty rough shape. It's got some dings, dents, some nice sized hail damage on the front of the hood here. Some of them are even, bad enough to where they actually cracked the paint. But the plans for this car is to pretty much fix any issues on it, and then go in and sell it. I'm not a body guy. I've been working in the field, repairing vehicles for about 7 years now. Started my business about a year ago. So this is going to be my first little body project, so I'm pretty excited. But I'll kind of go through some of the issues on the car with you. So let's just unlock it here. So the vehicle actually runs great. There's not really the only mechanical issue it has is the door handle will not open the door because there's a pin on the back side that's actually broken. So in order to open the door, you need to open this and pull the lock on the back. There's actually a pin back there that busted off, and when you open it, it kind of pulls the lock back. So we'll have to replace the door handle. No big deal. The other issue is we'll just get the vehicle started here. 176,000 miles. As you can see, we got the check engine light there. We have 2 codes, and we'll go ahead and get the code reader on. Other than that, it's about 100 degrees out. The AC works great. Radio works great. No really interior damage. There's a little scuff right here. Needs to be cleaned up a little bit. Kind of take a look at. We got a tear on the seat right here. Just need to kind of clean some stuff up down there. Just really the interior just needs a little bit of a cleaning. Back's in really good shape here. Pretty happy with that. We'll go ahead and open up the trunk here. Where's the trunk button? So, come back here. You can see we got some damage on the trunk. It's probably kind of hard to see on the video here, but you kind of see the dent there. So, probably more than likely we'll have to repaint some of this stuff. That's okay. Trunk's in great shape. We got the spare tire, and also I believe the jack's over there, spare tire, so that's good. Probably pull all this stuff out to clean it up. Obviously clean up all this crap here. Lots of cleaning to do. Looks like we're missing the lens on this taillight. You can see this side has the plastic lens. This side does not. Pop open the hood. Take a look what we got going on. Down here, everything's in pretty good shape, relatively clean down here. No really major oil leaks. There's some small stuff that I want to take care of just to make it look nicer, like I want to repair all this crap. Someone did kind of half-ass job at all this, so I'll probably redo the positive battery terminal. Other than that, not really any mechanical issues. It's more body damage, that engine light. One more thing is the tires are not looking too great. I don't know if you can see that on the video, but we'll see if I can find a wear indicator first. So right there's a wear indicator. You kind of see it's almost even with the tread. So that's the same story on all 4 tires. Some have cracks in it. So we're gonna have to get some new tires on here. Not sure if I'm gonna buy new tires. I already priced them out. It's about $330 after tax. Probably get some used tires on here. Probably get 4 for a couple $100. But all the brakes are in good condition. As you can see, this side's pretty good. You know, there's one ding here, so we can pop that out. Do some paintless dent repair. So the hood or the roof of the car will actually all need to be repainted. Someone actually tried to paint some of this stuff, and it's not easy to see on video, but there's also a section right here that someone tried to repair. It's they just rattle panned it, so we need to fix all that. Let's dive into that engine light really quick and kind of see what's going on. So we're back in the car here. Got my scan tool set up. It's plugged. There's a little latch right down there. It's plugged right down there in the OBD2 port. So we're just gonna kind of take a look and see what we got going on. Okay, so we got 2 codes. Okay, I believe it's the second module here. Okay, let's go to read codes. Okay, so it looks like we got a P0420, P0430. So that's catalyst system efficiency below threshold, bank 1 and bank 2. So pretty much catalytic converter issue. Kind of pricey, but I think we'll be able to get through it. So let's just go ahead and verify that this is a converter issue. So I'll kind of show you guys a little basic diagnosis. I would typically do a lot more on a customer's car, but since it's my own vehicle, I'm pretty confident with you know, just kind of taking a look at the O2 sensors. So we're gonna look at all the O2 sensors and see what they're doing. And really all the O2 sensors or the oxygen sensors is they're measuring the amount of oxygen in the exhaust. And what the catalytic converters do is it almost acts as a filter. So the oxygen sensors before the catalytic converters should be reading different than the ones in the rear. When they start reading exactly the same, that's when you get these codes. It shows you that the converter isn't doing what it should be doing. So we'll go to complete list here, and we're just gonna find these, you know, oxygen sensors down here, and we're gonna select them all. Okay. So here's sensor 1, so it's O2 S11, so that stands for sensor 1 bank 1. So we're going to actually I need to back out, do a custom list. Let's just manually select all of them. Sorry, my camera just shut off, so I'm going to turn on the AC. It got too hot. But here's the last one we need. So we're just gonna click OK down here. Okay, so now we got all of them. I'm gonna zoom in quickly here and kind of get this set up a little better. So pretty much what we're gonna do is we're gonna graph sensor 1, which is this guy, and sensor 2, or sensor 2. So these are both on bank 1. So this first one is the front one, and the second one's the rear. So the front one's gonna be switching a lot quicker. The rear one should be slow. Set 2 graphics, so the top's the front, should be going a lot quicker than the rear one, and we can kind of see already that they're moving back and forth at pretty much the same speed, and that's pretty much telling me that the converter's not doing anything. If the second sensor was moving a lot slower compared to the top one, then we could, you know, say that, hey, the converter's doing the job properly, and we probably got maybe an exhaust leak of some sort. But they're looking exactly the same. So let's go ahead and check out the other one. So again, both are switching, you know, relatively the same speed. They're moving all the way within their threshold, so 0.835 volts all the way down to 0.09, so that's good. So that's telling me that the oxygen sensors are probably good themselves, and we need to replace the catalytic converters. So it looks like both of these catalytic converters need to be replaced, so I'm going to go ahead and get those ordered, and I'll see you guys in the next video. We'll go ahead and pop them on. Again,
This is Justin.
I'm the owner of Peterson Automotive Repair. I service all Denton County. This is my business. I do this for a living. I love it. I just decided to post a few videos, and maybe I can help someone out. Maybe someone else out there is the same issue, which I'm sure, and they'll be able to kind of take a look and see what's going on. But yeah, if you like the video, please give me a comment. What should I do? What shouldn't I do? If there's anything specific you guys like to see. Again, thanks for watching. See you guys later.